Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, it is time for our Margaret Miller weekly collage, and this is week 20, and I'm just having a mama heart day, so I figured we'd just get on here and play. Okay, so our things was an image that features a face, a list, a piece of currency or play money, brown paper, a tea bag cover, and the bonus with stripes. So this is what I got. I have this striped paper that I got from Miss Purple, I think, sale. And then I found this collage in our collage book, and it had a list on it. And then I found this currency in our other little collage book thing, and along beside it was these little books, so I got that out for her to stand on. I found her, and then I found this man, and his face was better, so I've got my tea bag and then my brown piece of paper. So let's see if I can remember where I was going to put this stuff, and let's glue this stuff down. And I got my Nana's glue. I need to clean that Nana's glue up, you see. So I got kind of ooky looking. I usually clean it when I refill it. I think I took enough glue down the bottom. Nope, no glue down there. Now this Nana's glue. It's some good glue. Let me tell you, once you put it on the paper and put your thing down, it's gonna grab it like that art glitter glue, and you gotta be sure. Let me get me up. Y'all, I gotta get out of this funk. Okay. I mean, seriously. Talk to myself about this. This is crazy. Right. Okay. I'm going to put this over like that, because I don't want it to impede on that. Let's glue the man down. There's another man on the other side. Put this here, we have to put it there. Uh-oh, I forgot my brown paper. Too late now. I'm going to put the brown paper on. I mean, that was this stuff. Let's see. Let's take it like that. There. Get some more glue. Good Lord. I take her down some. I'm going to cut her head off. And I pulled her out now. There's some glue on it. Okay, then There we go. Let's see, these down here. One leg behind it, like she's stepping up on the exercise or something. Come on. There we go. It's got glue. There. And there we go. Alright, let's put the blue page on. There she goes. Alright, there we go. Now, hit it with some air. Flip it over, cut it off, and see what we got. I just needed to do some art therapy playing today. Uh-oh. Cut that paper. Okay. Get back on track. Cut off. Alright. Look, that all collaged together. That one over there. Put this in charge. Alright, there we go. That is our week 20 all done in bag. Let's see. Right there. Okay. Alright. That's got our week 20. Thank you.